Well, this winter has not disappointed so far. Going through our second proper blizzard of the year. It's the last week of February. It's about 8 o'clock on Monday morning. I got here Saturday evening, and sometime early yesterday, Sunday, it began with rising wind out of the east-northeast, and quite a bit of snow. About an inch an hour for the last, I don't know, we're at what, 18 hours now? About an inch an hour. Getting worse and worse as the day progressed. Eventually the wind kind of clocked around. Now it's coming right out of the west, coming right on the stern, which is good. The boat was getting, when it was coming out of the north, it was pretty bad. The boat was getting bumped against the seawall there quite a bit, but she's fine. There's still a lot of snow up there. I just returned from my second bout of trying to clear as much snow as I can with this. Happily, there's no crust of ice or anything like that. It's moderately wet, heavy snow. I'll take you on a little tour topside later. It's already, I mean, by the time I made my way all the way around the deck, there was already almost an inch of snow where I started. It's coming down sideways, but it is still coming down big time. And I'll probably show you all that later, maybe. I'm gonna see about some coffee and breakfast, I think. All right, I may as well give you all a quick peek. I went up there and cleared up. I didn't do the cockpit, the aft deck, but I did the side decks and the foredeck about an hour ago. And this is probably frozen shut again. Yeah, pretty much. Yeah. It is a pain. I thought of rigging some kind of cover, but you got to understand, for the last 18 hours, it's been blowing 30, gusting 50 without a pause. Anything I would have rigged up there would be gone. Would be in the next county by now. And I've gotten out of here twice already. I'll do it again. Okay, I got it open. Yeah, that's looking west-northwest. Yeah, I cleared the deck here, the side deck was cleared an hour ago. I may do it again. This is not going to let up for another 8 hours at least. I'm glad I brought my snow shovel. I'm going to have to shovel the van out later. Yeah, it's not going to be sunny for another couple of days, even though the snow is going to stop today, this afternoon at some point. Whew. We're all iced in. And of course the GoPro powered itself down. That's what it does. I'm getting too fed up. So I'm going to eat breakfast and maybe go back to sleep for a little while. There's nothing else I can do. But you all see what's going on here. Don't need to show you much more than that. Well, it's already the end of March, pretty much. We're a couple days away from the end of March. Where have you guys been? Where have you been? What's up with that? Oh yeah, it's not you, it's me. I've been to the boat a few times in the last 5 weeks. Wasn't able to do much. I rode out another blizzard. Put in a new latch, a new old latch for the electrical panel door thing. Cleaned up the boat a little, looked at some things. I mostly went down there to check on her. I'm gonna probably go down tomorrow or the day after. What's today? Thursday? I have to work all day Saturday in New Jersey, so I'll probably go to the boat after and spend a few days. Temperatures are expected to get warmer and warmer. It might hit 70 here in Pennsylvania today. It being warmer weather and fuel prices having nearly, well, pretty soon they will have doubled in this area. Enough said about that. I think you all know why that is. So yeah, I got to get the motorcycle on the road. Plus the inspection sticker on the van has expired. So it's pretty much good to go. I took it out yesterday for a little while. I did an oil change before I put it up almost about a year ago. I've got a rear tire here that has a plug in it. It should be replaced, but yeah, can't really afford a new one right now. I'm not going to put a cheap tire on here. I love these Michelin Road 6s. They're awesome. It's wear-wise, it's doing okay. It's got several thousand miles left on it, but I do have to adjust the valve tap at clearance. So I'm going to bust out the manual because I don't really remember how to do that. I've done it before, and we'll get that done. All right, let's see. Rotate the crankshaft counterclockwise along the one top that center mark on the fly with the index notch. Make sure the one mark. Check valve clearance by inserting field gauge between valve adjusting through and valve stand valve clearance. Man, this bike is dirty. There we go. That'll be fine, just hanging out right there. I love the smell of brake cleaner in the morning. I really wish I had a light. Sorry, I may have to adjust the exposure in post. This is a cool little engine. This is a 698 cc. This is actually half of a Honda Fit engine. The Fit has 4 cylinders. It's about twice as long. That's what makes this a typical weird Honda motorcycle. It actually has a rev limiter at about 6,500 RPM. It's a good engine. It's overbuilt for a motorcycle, and the main reason they did it, I guess, is so that they could lay it down like this. This is highly unusual on a motorcycle. This may be the only one, other than your boxer types like the BMWs and the Honda Goldwing, where the head is down low like that. That keeps the CG down low, and the fuel tank is actually under here. This is a frunk. This is hollow. So your fuel, your engine, everything is below your knees on this bike, which makes it handle very well, I think. Come on. Yeah. It isn't neutral, right? Now it is. I think I'm gonna need a light. I might need my reading glasses too.
Please stand by. We are experiencing technical difficulties. As soon as they have been corrected...
Well, the old GoPro didn't make it through that session. I think it might be the battery. I didn't have the spare batteries with me at home. As it turns out, I'm not going to be able to take the bike down there this time around anyway, because the weather, as it turns out, is just going to be too nasty. But I did finish my little service. I hope you all got something out of this miserable excuse for an episode. I apologize for the delay and, well, for the episode, to be frank. But more interesting things are on the horizon. I'll see you next time.